Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I have a quick review for you from Wigs. This is everything that I tell you right now is going to be in the description box, but I'm wearing style code SK10744. It's in the color natural black. It's 22 inches long, 180% density, and I do have the 4-inch deep parting glueless lace front cap in a size large. First of all, this sizing is always perfect for me. Wigs, like, their sizing is exactly like the large fits me just perfectly. I don't have any more space. There are a couple companies that I end up having like a little bit more room in the back whenever I do go like for a size large, but this one, it just fits me like perfectly. I do have cornrows underneath, so for me that's just giving me the flattest lay. If I were to do my hair just like maybe in like chunky twist or something like that, I probably wouldn't be able to wear this wig as well. At like, it just wouldn't lay as flat as it's laying now. Density on this is perfect. It's 180% density, you guys, and honestly I wouldn't go higher than that. I don't think I've ever went higher than 180% density, especially when it comes to curly hair, because it's just too high. The length is 22 inches. Now that's something that this is something I don't say often, but I would actually bring this up a little bit shorter than 22 inches. I kind of feel like 20 or 18 inches would be even prettier for this wig. This is just giving me, it's just giving me a little bit too long, but it also doesn't have any layers. So if you go for the same one that I have, which is the 22 inches, keep in mind this wig is going to need layers. I didn't layer it right now just because I was just trying to find the right style, as you can see with this video, that I was happy with, but it's going to need some layers so it just doesn't look heavy. You know how hair can look very heavy on your head, and then you just got to give it some personality and let it, frame your face with a couple curls or layers, I'm sorry, and things like that. So I think if you went a little bit shorter, you wouldn't have to put as many layers in it. As far as any tangle shedding goes, guys, with curly hair, I say it in almost every single curly hair video I do, as long as you leave your hands out of your hair, you should be fine. You shouldn't be running your hands through your curls, because one, it's just gonna mess them up and it's just gonna cause more frizz, and you definitely will get tangles if you keep doing that. I'm not ever concerned when it comes to Wigs, when it comes to tangles and shedding and all that kind of stuff. Out of almost every company, theirs is definitely a company that I just don't worry about their wigs and how they're going to like hold up. If I'm going to be able to wear it a year from now. I do have wigs still a year from now that I still wear, and they still look perfect. They're in really good condition. And yeah, so I did put some eco styler in this hair, and I just went section by section, and I think this looks so much better than what I don't even know where I was going with this style before, you guys. I just didn't have a clue. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. Great job, Wigs. You guys always do a good job with your wigs, with your hair, with your everything. I will put everything down in the description box. Any coupon codes, all the information, all that great stuff will be down in the description box for you so that you will have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at jmarie and hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.